This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, sir. If we recap last session, okay, we have seen decentralized environment. Okay, that means ERP separate system, EWM is separate system. We need to have some connectivity. Yesterday we have seen RFC destinations as well. RFC stands for okay, remote function calls, calling the remotely. That we have seen. Now coming to here, three examples we have seen. The first one is this is one of the decentralized. This is also one of the decentralized system, and this is also one of the decentralized system. So coming to here, okay, below the line, EWM system. One EWM is connected to multiple ERP systems. Then how the system come to know that how many ERP systems are integrated for the EWM? Out of those, how many are the SAP ERPs? EWM is capable to connect with SAP ERP and non-SAP ERP as well. If that's the case, how? One concept is there called business system group. One concept is there called business system group. Okay, this significance of this business system group is this is at EWM system. Okay, BSG tells how many ERPs are connected to EWM and how many SAP ERPs are connected. Okay, these differentiate through this business system group. These business system groups we use for each ERP system, business system group. Okay, in EWM we maintain business system group, individual business system groups for each ERP. That we can see. Now we are going to EWM environment 110. Go to IMG setup through SPRO, SAP Extended Warehouse Management, SEM basis, integration, basic settings for creating the system landscape. Okay, maintain business system. And here one is there. If this is the case, one BSC is enough for us. We assign same business system group for both in this example. If the system setup is like this, one business system group is enough. If this is the system, one business system group is enough. One BSG enough. Okay, for this setup. Now coming to here, say here EWMs are separate. Okay, say here this is here one business system we can manage. Here one business system we can manage. Here also one business system we can manage. Coming to here, here 4 business system groups are required. One is for ERP1, another one is for ERP2, another one is ERP3, and one individual for EWM system. 4 business system groups are required. Why 4 business system groups means here this EWM is not working with dedicatedly for a single ERP. That's why 4 business system groups are required in this environment. 4 BSGs are required. This one. This one. Now say here in this system, okay, BSG underscore 900 is there, means 110 and 900 only single, this is there. Now coming to here, assign logical system is there. Say here the same business system group we have assigned for two environment. If we observe here for EH8 CLNT 900, one SAP indicator is there. One SAP indicator is there. If this is ticked, means okay, this ERP belongs to SAP. If this is not ticked, okay, that is non-SAP ERP. Say if we assign any projects, okay, support projects and etc. If we open this one, this node, you can come to know that this EWM is connected to how many ERPs. Out of those, how many SAPs are there, etc. Okay, say here. This is the significance of business system group for today. Okay, for now only several significances are there with reference to business system group we see. Now we are about to start embedded environment. Embedded environment. Okay, now I will show that embedded environment, how it looks like.
So can you once repeat the difference between those two? Why we have four BSGs for?
Four BSGs means say here three BSG, three different ARBs are there.
Yeah.
I cannot dedicate my EWM to a single ERP. That's why own identity, that is for fourth one is required.
Why is it not the same with the other?
That is dedicated to only one. Come to here, embedded environment. See this image clearly. Okay, one CPU symbol or server symbol is there. One is with the solid line, another one is with dotted line. Dotted line, okay, representing this is also part of within that ERP only box. Say here dotted line, this one. Okay, say here in this case, ERP and EWM both are available in a single system. Still, we require the connectivity. Why? Because our EWM incorporated or implemented in the market as a decentralized property, but cannot mix with anything directly. We need to have connectivity here. But if we see the yesterday statement, client to logical system. One to one only. Okay. Now coming to here, in this environment, okay, two logical systems are required here. One is main logical system, another one is dummy logical system. Come to here. This is main logical system. Okay, actually ERP placed in the main logical system and EWM placed in dummy logical system. Even though that is available in the same box, same server, the properties are different. Just like yesterday, I have given one example. What engineering knowledge is there? Administration department cannot equal to electrical department. We should have to communication, connectivity between the departments, just like this. Okay, say here main logical system and dummy logical system, and this dummy main logical system we assign to client. We are going to one S4HANA environment. See here also you can see easy access and etc. If we see here only 800 client is there. Only 800 client. Everything is available here only. Go to here logistics. You can see, say other module sales and distribution, material management and extended warehouse management also in the same area. Here I am noting down client 800. Whatever we have seen yesterday, the same is required here as well. Client is 800 in this system. Say here client is 800 and the system name is S4H. So in this system, yesterday I have told that one protocol, logical system, first 3 digits, once again I am saying system, CLNT, client name. Okay, here coming to in this system name is S4H. CLNT 800. This one. Now we see. Go to here. IMG setup. Say here IMG setup. You can see SAP Extended Warehouse Management as well and integration with other SAP components as well. Go to here integration with other SAP components. Say assume that we are referring ERP now. If I am going in this path means ERP. Go to here Extended Warehouse Management. Basic settings for setting up the system landscape, name logical system, S4H CLNT 800 is the main logical system name. This one. And here one is there EWM CLNT 800 dummy logical system. Okay, in this system, dummy logical system. Main logical system, dummy logical system, you can see here. Okay, now coming to here, assign logical system to a client. This is always 1:1. So if we see 800 client is associated with, okay, associated with main logical system only, main logical system. Okay, say here, that means we cannot assign any client to dummy logical system. Okay, how we can manage and etc. we are going to see. And here also RFC destinations are required. Why? Because say one S4H, this is there, S4H system, embedded system. Okay, say one company is only used to go with the ERP. No need to go for any RFC destinations and etc. Okay, if we want to go with EWM also, we need to have the RFC destinations. Okay, say here. This is one setup RFC destination to send the data from ERP to EWM. Another one is from say here. Okay, one is from ERP to EWM, another one is for okay EWM to ERP. We required this. Okay, so again, okay, this is one. Another one is like this. Say here, two-way here also required. Now we see. Go to here. Set up RFC destination. Come to here. ABAP connections only. Why? Because both systems are SAP. So we need to select the ABAP connections. Come to here. Say here. You can see EWM CLNT 800. Double click on it. Here you can see. Okay. Say here target host and IP addresses. Log on and security. It is ticked as current user. Okay. Yesterday both are different systems. That's why we maintain separate user IDs. In the embedded environment, no need to go for this one. One of the friend asked yesterday, say for example, 10-20 users are there, like kind of things and etc. But here it is possible, embedded. Why? Because we have user ID, individual user ID. No need to go for separate user ID here. If we take this current user ID, whatever the data transfer between ERP and EWM, whatever, say for example, here this is the user ID. Okay, with this user ID we'll track. Every user is having his own user ID. So here it is fine. Okay, current user is taken. Now the same thing we see under SAP Extended Warehouse Management as well. Okay, come to here, SAP Extended Warehouse Management. Go to here, SAP Basis, Integration, basic settings for creating the system landscape. Okay, name logical systems. Say whatever appearing there here also it is. Why? Because same system here. Path is different. If I delete from here, there also it will delete. Okay, say here. Say S4H CLNT 800 we can see here. EWM CLNT 800 we can see here. Okay, say this one. And now come to here. Assign logical system to a client. The same thing 800 only we can. 800 only we manage with main logical systems. Okay, now coming to RFC destinations, set up RFC destination. Go to here, just to have a look. We are into EWM. You can see here the same thing. You can see here. Names are different. Current user only. Okay, now this is not enough. Everything is there. Need to maintain some setup. The first one is BD97 setup. BD97. Okay, these can be taken care by basis consultant. No need to worry. If anyone is going to implement your S4HANA systems and etc., ping me in personally. I will share this screen how to manage and etc. Anyway, this is covered in the book as well. Go to here, BD97 setup. No one can get authorization. Please note that. Here, if we see here, S4H CLNT 800 is there. Main logical system that is connected to dummy logical system at high level. Within that, okay, one is for BAPI calls, another is dialog calls. This is the technical terminology. No need to worry about it. Just to have a look. Whenever you are going with the this is everything is a one-time setup, not daily, not transaction wise and etc. For each project, single time they can set this. Okay, this have a look. Okay, say here this one. Say here S4H main logical system to dummy logical system. Within the dummy logical system, okay, the same dummy logical system we are using for BAPI calls and dialog calls. Apart from that, we need to run one report. To run the program, sorry, we need to run the program. For that program, we use the SE38 transaction code. This is okay in S4HANA embedded only, not in the decentralized. Now come to here SE38. This is the name program name. Say here. Okay, and please note that reports or programs in the EWM side. Okay, almost every programmer name start with /SEWM/. SEC stands for supply chain, WM stands for warehouse management. Okay, say here. This is the R_ERP_RFC_EST. Okay, R_ this we need to run. Everything is ready in the system. Say here. S4H CLNT 800. Everything is ready. No changes made. Now, after running this, we need to have RSC destinations in one table. Entries. We need to have entries of RFC destination, both RFC destinations in one table. Table name is TBL sysdest. Okay, destination table for system destinations. Go to here. For that, transaction code is SE11. Go to here, SE11, TBL sysdest. One is there, display. Okay, this button, contents. Okay, execute. You can see here these entries are there. This entry, this entry. Just ignore this. Okay, someone is created unnecessary data. These two entries are there. That is fair enough for us. Okay, say here. This is the working server. Okay, say here this one. And what about the business system group? Everything is available in here only. Here also business system group is required in the S4HANA. Go to here, IMG setup. SAP Extended Warehouse Management, SCM basis, integration, basic settings for creating a system landscape, maintain business system group. Come to here, one name is BSG is there here. The same BSG we have assigned for this one. Say here both, okay, logical systems with SAP indicators. Okay, here also it is required. And one more thing, say for example, we have SAP means directly we cannot work with the EWM. Okay, say one business function need to purchase from the SAP and activate it. Say if we go with any setup box, they can give some basic flavor only. If I want to go with the sports channel or else entertainment channel, we need to activate. Jada, that is nothing but business function within the SAP environment. Okay, this is applicable for both decentralized and S4HANA embedded as well. One business function name LOG_LE_integration. This is mandatory. Okay, to do with this is also one time setup. To do with we use SFW5 transaction code. Now go to here SFW5, enter it. Once we pay that package, then only it is possible to activate within the system. Okay. Say here, careful, only reversible business functions can be deactivated for this region. Activate only required business functions. In case of doubt, read the corresponding documentation. Corresponding documentation available, okay, with the paying of the paying to SAP. Continue. Say here. S4 always on functions. Come to here. Say here. If we see here, blinking is there, lighting means those are the activation. After few, this, okay, some alphabetical order we can see. LOG, L series, say already activated within the system. This business function is mandatory. I have given information in the book as well. Okay, say here, this is required. Whenever you want to go with any greenfield implementation or something, greenfield means nothing is there, just they are purchasing the SAP and they start to implementation. In that case, as a EWM function consultant, okay, you should have to work with basis consultant to activate everything. Okay, these things. Now, I am logging off from S4HANA system. I will show the same business function in decentralized. This is available in ECC only, not in the EWM. Why? Because ECC is the main system. Go to ECC. SFW5. Enterprise business functions. If we open it, just to scroll down L series, you can see. Say here in this system, some are activated, some are not activated. Blinking means activated. Not blinking means that functionality is not available. Okay, say here LOG underscore LE underscore integration. Okay, this one. This is the business function name. Okay, say here. This is applicable in both systems. Now coming to data integration between these systems. Okay, theoretically I will tell you. Say here, if we want to run any business, three things are mandatory. The first thing is org structure, organization, org structure. Okay, where your org structure is located and etc. That is mandatory. The second thing is master data. Master data examples are, I will tell you, materials, vendors, and customers. Materials, vendors, and customers. Master data. Say here, two are there. Third one, if third one is not there, what should I do? Third one is nothing but transactions. Transaction. Transactional data. These three are mandatory. We need to share or integrate these three things in both environments. ERP, and EWM. Either it's a decentralized or else S4HANA embedded. Decentralized and okay, approach is different between these two systems. As I said yesterday, some 2% differences are there. This falls under that 2% differences. Okay, say here. Now coming to here. In decentralized environment, one application is there, core interface. to distribute, okay, org structure and master data. One application. Okay, this is unidirection. This is unidirection. I will tell you that in 2 steps we can use. Tomorrow you will get some idea about that org structures. Okay, say here. This is the org structure. Okay, we use this SIF application from ERP to EWM. See here in between, horizontal triangle is there from left side to right side. Unidirection. Okay, org structure. Okay, the same org structure we can have with the different names. Later we can see it tomorrow. This is not a right time. Okay, just I'm giving some overview. This org structure is there. Apart from this, these 3 are the master data. Whatever it may be, okay, whatever it may be, okay, we use this SIF application for interface. This 4 interface in 2 steps. SIF execute in 2 steps. In the step 1, we select the relevant data to be distributed. Into EWM in the form of integration model. In the form of integration model. This is step 1. First, we can select what is the data we need to distribute to the EWM and etc. Okay. Wow. Only selection cannot be help us to distribute our data. Next one is step 2. Say here integration model we have selected. Step 2, we activate the integration model. These 2 steps we need to use. Until unless activating that integration model, okay, the data cannot be distributed. Anyway, we are going to see, okay, from next sessions. Okay, these are the some overheads. Coming to here, HANA embedded. HANA embedded EWM. We do not have SIP application. We use, okay, other functionalities. Other functionality is to integrate all these things. Okay, this is about the okay deployment options. Coming to cloud, yesterday I said that cloud. Okay, cloud actually SAP is only providing the database servers and etc. Okay, they give some web portals to access your SAPs that cannot be available in the outside until unless we purchase it. Okay, for company, if any company purchase the cloud, functionalities are same, but options like web in the browser we can work with this, not logon pad and etc. Directly we go with the browser. Okay, like we enter Google kind of thing. There we can select options, all of our data, okay, store in their SAP's database. Okay, any doubts regarding today's and yesterday's session? These are the 2 deployment options. The only thing is here in the S4HANA embedded, main logical system, dummy logical system, and one program is mandatory. Okay. Yes, please.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, this organization structure, master data and all, we need to create or there will be some other by default functions?
Coming to in our session, everything should be created by us only. Each individual should maintain their own org structure and they need to practice in their own org structure only. Okay, and 0% tolerance to use the classroom org structure. Okay, 0%. We cannot accept anyone to touch the classroom org structure or classroom master data. Everyone should create their own org structure, their own data, their own transactions. Okay. Yes.
And one more thing, sir. You said like this R structure and master data, there is unidirection.
Correct.
Yeah, so but why it is unidirection? In other cases, ERP and EWM, there will be an integration between voice like both the side.
Okay. Where both the sides are org structure and master data, ERP is tomorrow you will get some clear idea. Okay, some more idea. Why means
Okay, sir.
EWM is separate. That is a tail. I can use or not. I can use or not. Okay. Say here EWM warehouse. I don't want to go with warehouse. I want to maintain only at org structure level. Okay. Say here whatever that is tail, a small add-on to our business. Warehouse. That's why unidirection from not to not.
Okay, so once master data is created, org structure is created, it will be there till end.
Yes, exactly. Continue we can use, right? Say one
So
company
if
is
we
there.
want,
Okay. Yeah. This
Sir,
is a
when
fixed data.
we will get that as
This is the fixed
hello.
data. One setup we can do. And distribute into
but
the EWM, we can run the transactions.
we can add more master data in future also, sir. But based on
Yeah,
requirement.
whatever, some lakhs. Say, for example, if we go to master data means this is not a single one. Materials. See here. What I did not say material single. Vendors, customers. Whenever we create anything new, we can distribute it to the EWM. Say automobile company is there. Okay, so some car manufacturing, assume that some Suzuki. Every year at least they are coming with some two different variants. Within that variant, okay, they are going with the ZXIV, SIVDA and etc. They want to sell the same clutch cable with the different prices. Normal people, they sell it 1000 INR, but coming to the esteemed customer means like a ZDA or something higher version. The same cable with other code, they sell for 1500 rupees. Means whenever variant is coming to in our system, we need to create the master data. We need to maintain the stocks in the warehouse. We need to distribute the data. These are not fixed master data, etc. Coming to the org structure, are you going to build a new building? Say, for example, in Bangalore, one company is there. They want to go with Chennai also, they want to establish another company. That is nothing but another building and other name. In that case, that is the org structure. They create a new one in the system. Same clutch cables and etc. They use in Bangalore old plant and Chennai new plant. Okay, got it, sir.
Got it, got it, sir. Kind of a new branch opening in the other city. Same structure we have to create for
Yes,
different clients.
yes, yes, yes.
Organizational structure will be the same, and master data we can modify, like we can add.
How are structure same? Bangalore address is equal to Chennai address?
No,
Then two different org
like
structures.
the plant will be increased.
That is org structure. Okay, tomorrow you will get a clear idea what is meant by inventory management, what is meant by warehouse management. Okay, in general we can discuss. Okay.
Sir,
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
please.
hello. Sir,
Yeah.
we are getting the SAP ID, password, and server to practice.
Okay, I will provide okay that person name. Okay, in the group, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow I will provide name.
Okay.
Yeah, hi sir. Actually, this is Basangoda Patil. Today only I joined, sir. Actually, regarding this backup class or how
Yeah, we
and till
please ping me in WhatsApp.
Sir,
okay,
I
sir.
have a question, sir.
Today
Yeah,
also I joined late actually. I thought it was 11 o'clock,
yes,
so it was I
okay.
forgot to
Yes,
join
everything
at 10.
available in the folder, sir. Please ping in WhatsApp. I will add you in the group and I will share this one folder access to you.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir,
Sir, I
if
have
we
one question re-
Sir, the
regarding the.
settings and
Please.
Sir, I have one question regarding business system group. So
Yeah.
rather two questions. One is, what is the difference between logical system and business system group? And second is, do we have to define business system group also on both ERP and EWM system?
Business system group dedicated for EWM only. At very beginning, I told that within the EWM, see here, within the EWM, BFG tells how many ERPs are connected to this one. So the question is that it means we have functionality in the ERP, sorry, EWM only, this business system group. And the logical system is separate. Logical system that is for orchestration connectivities. This business system group is okay to do the business. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
sir, if we have,
sir,
I have a
Yeah.
question, sir. If we have a S4 system and which is embedded system, and I can have a one more EW system, so how can we send the data to the another EW systems, sir?
Yeah, in the same means you have one system within that ERP is there. You have EWM in other box or in same box.
So I have a S4 system, which is a centralized one, and I will be having one more EW system connecting to S4 system, sir.
Yeah,
In
that is
that case,
possible. In case with some SAP nodes, we can activate the functionality. Okay,
so
to send.
how will be sending the data to another EW system, sir? If we have S4 system,
SIF
it's
application.
okay with SIF. Okay, okay, thank you, sir.
We can activate it with some nodes of etc. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Tomorrow we'll go.